Welcome to the Solid Edge Drafting tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to dimension curved slot in Solid Edge. Here is the one part with curved slot. Please note that, to add a centerline annotation to a curved object, you cannot use the centerline command. Instead, use the techniques described here. Follow the below steps. Right-click the drawing view and choose Draw in View from the shortcut menu. Do the following to draw a curved line to represent the centerline. Choose the Smart Dimension command, then select the centerline. Press the A key twice on your keyboard, add the arc length symbol as a prefix and place the dimension. Thank you very much for watching. For more updated videos, please like and subscribe.